Responsive design is essentially a technique for building websites that automatically adjust their features and information to fit the size of the screen. In this video, we'll learn how to make a responsive navbars. If you're ready guys, let's go to the code. To start an HTML page, we need to enter the structural codes and enter the body code to begin building a header that consists of three essential parts. In the first part, we consider a place for the logo. In the next part, we create the menu and links we want. In the last part, we create a button that displays the menu when click on it in a smaller screen. Alright guys, our work with HTML section is done. Let's move on to CSS code. In the first part, like all web pages, we start with initial design and shape our own tags on the HTML page, such as body, container, or something like that. Now, it's time to design CSS code for the header area. Let's make it a little more beautiful together. Now we go to UL tag for site navbar and bring it in the right way, so it has a proper display of a regular menu for our page. Now it's time to go to the button that should be displayed to us when it's placed in a smaller screen. Let's create this button together and then complete the final setting for being responsive in the CSS section. To make the design page responsive, we need to use media query. In this section, we say that if our page has a max width of 767 pixels, consider these settings. First of all, we say to show the button we design. Then, we disable the normal mood menu and show a beautiful list menu instead of that. Finally, we perform the relevant setting to improve its appearance. Our CSS section is finished. The last part is JavaScript file. We expect that when the button is clicked, our new menu will be displayed. This section is not very difficult either. With a simple add event listener for click, we will use the toggle command, which automatically adds or removes our desired class to nav toggler if it exists. Well guys, a responsive menu has been created. I think it's so simple, isn't it? I hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel that you don't miss future tutorial videos. Thank you for being with me. Have a good day.